Is your house ready to sell? Buyers are searching. Let's talk about that next. How you doing? Thank you for checking out the channel. My name is Keith Connors. I'm a realtor broker here in the Tampa, St. Pete, Clearwater area on the Florida Suncoast. We created this channel to answer all your real estate questions with our quick 2 and 3 minute videos. Would love to help you anytime. Our mission has always been pretty simple, to help you get your best deal. So hit us up anytime. Together, we can make it happen. Now, is your house ready to sell? Buyers have been searching, and if you've been waiting to sell your house, now might be the right time. That's because lower mortgage rates are bringing buyers back to the market, many who've been on the fence. Check this out. This graph shows what happens to buyer activity when mortgage rates do come down. Remember, the Feds dropped the rate. The orange line is the average 30-year fixed mortgage rate, and the blue line shows how many people are applying for mortgages. Now, as mortgage rates have come down, that's what you see in the orange, the number of mortgage applications has gone up. That is the blue line. So the bottom line is buyer interest is picking up again. It's not a flood, but for many people in the median price ranges, a $600 lower payment will do the trick. So they're back in the pool, everybody. And more buyers in the market means more competition for your house. Experts say this trend is going to continue, so now's a great time to get your house ready to sell, and I can help you. So don't hesitate. If you have any questions, give us a call anytime. Remember, when you know the market, getting your best deal can be kind of easy, and it makes it a lot more fun. Hit the button. Please subscribe to this channel below. Hit us up anytime at 855 Mr. Beach. If you're thinking about selling or you're just curious, you can see your home's estimated value. It's fast, it's free, and it's very easy at whatismyhomereallyworth.com. One big word, whatismyhomereallyworth.com. Check out homes for sale on the Suncoast, on or near the beach anytime at MrBeachHouse.com.